All right, we are here again. And like I said, the old man definitely poured the feed there. But that's all right. There's plenty of people who come by and pour feed. I try not to, but I'm talking out loud to myself. Where am I going to put you? Why not? I see ducks. I barely see them. Oop. Is it going? All right. I need more of these. Lovely ducks. As usual. I'm glad the old man came. Well, they have two options. A fat option and a healthy option. Right? And here I was worried about them. Look at them. They're just eating. All right, well, let me just grab my bag here. Okay. And just out right here, come on. There we go. Here we are. As you can see, it's quite crowded, which is all right. It's a lovely day. Let's see, what else? And it's somewhat wet. Where did I put my what's-a-who's at? My lighter. I would read out, but I don't know if it's going to storm again. Wizard's first book is the book I recommend. Silent Patient by Alex is also a good psychological thriller. The Last Unicorn is also an amazing fantasy book. It's old, but it's a good storybook if you like dragons and stuff. I also recommend The Blade Itself by Joe Abercrombie. It's a trilogy book. Fantasy, of course. I would say if I could compare his character in the book, I would say it's close to a character next to Wolverine. But it's another lovely day. Some people are waiting for the sunset. Because it's pretty. I might as well get it since I'm here.